Hi, my name is Charles Kuck. I'm managing partner of Kuck, Baxter Immigration. I want to talk a little bit today about the labor certification or PERM process that is used both in the EB3 and the EB2 category to obtain permanent residence in the United States. Now, using the labor certification or PERM process requires a U.S. employer first to make an offer to a foreign national to work for them. The beauty of this program is that the person does not need to be in the United States when the application is made. The labor certification and the immigrant visa are for a future job, one you may currently have or one that you will be fulfilling when you enter the United States. The employer has to show to the satisfaction of the Department of Labor that there are no qualified, willing, and able U.S. workers to fulfill your job. There are a number of requirements to make this happen. Requirements are detailed on our website at www.immigration.net, but they include placing advertisements in the newspaper for 2 consecutive Sundays or in professional journals, depending on what type of job you have, as well as other types of gathering of applicants for the position. And after those resumes are received by the employer and the employer sorts through them and can show that no qualified applicants apply for your job, then the application is submitted to the Department of Labor, who then adjudicates you whether or not you're eligible for the labor certification. Labor certifications are approved more than 90% of the time because there simply aren't a lot of qualified workers for very specific jobs, ranging from nanny all the way up to nuclear engineer here in the United States. So the opportunity to apply through this process is broad. In fact, only 2 countries right now are using the maximum number of visas available. So unless you're from India or China, the waiting period for this green card is simply the processing period for the labor certification. Labor certifications take anywhere from 9 to 15 months, generally speaking, and are then followed by an application for the immigrant visa with the USCIS. In the USCIS process, the employer has to show that not only is there no qualified workers and they have the labor certification to prove it, but that you as the foreign national, in fact, are eligible for this job because you meet the minimum qualifications. Once that immigrant visa is approved, either in a 6-month normal processing time or in 15 days by paying the premium processing fee to the government, you can then file your application for adjustment of status if you're legally in the United States, or for consular processing if you're outside the United States. And generally within 6 to 12 months, you will enter the United States or be adjusted to a permanent resident. Again, for more information about this process, visit our website at www.immigration.net or send us a question through our website or call for an appointment. We're happy to meet with you to talk about the options that are available.